Today's topic is phone. Phone. Obviously, that's not a phone. I'm using it for filming myself, so I don't have extra ones. Should we use a phone during a lash service? My answer is no. But people might say, oh, Rach, I'm using it for music. I'm using it because sometimes people call me and text me because they are late. Some people want to book an appointment and I want to answer them immediately. I can eliminate those right away. Okay? So if you are using it for music, just keep it away. Don't place it on the bed. Then you want to change the songs, every so often. Just play it 8-hour music, relaxation music from YouTube, And if somebody is calling you, I'm late, what can we do about it? They should know you're busy because you are doing eyelash extensions. If people's excuse or reason is, I want to text back immediately to book appointment for them, I understand, but you can eliminate it. You can just go online. Just book. Let them book online. Let system works for you. That's how you work smarter, not harder. Okay? The reason why I'm saying this is because if you pay attention to the phone, that means you're not fully paying attention to what you have to do. You cannot perform the best if your attention is somewhere else. And also believe me, if you are using phone instead of doing lashes, your customers know. Let's try to go cell phone free environment. That sounds more professional for you. That's it today, and just share your opinions. Okay, thank you very much and see you tomorrow.